When you receive your iMOW and take it out of its packaging, you'll notice that there are several components that come with it. You'll see the mower itself, the docking station, the operating instructions, the pegs, the power supply, and the iMOW ruler. To install the iMOW, you'll require perimeter wire, fixing pins, and wire clips. These are sold separately from the iMOW. These parts can be purchased individually or as part of our installation kits. For small to medium-sized lawns, we recommend Installation Kit S with 150 metres of perimeter wire. For larger lawns, we recommend Installation Kit L, which has 400 metres of perimeter wire. When installing the iMOW, we recommend you wear gloves and safety glasses. You will also need wire cutters, wire strippers, and a hammer or mallet for the installation process. First of all, you should plan the mowing area. Begin by making a sketch of the lawn area that is going to be mown. You should include any fixed objects in the lawn, such as ponds, garden features, large play equipment, or trees. Before installation, you may want to make some small alterations to your garden, such as cutting back overhanging shrubs and making sure the iMOW has a clear path around any borders. Normally, you would leave a gap between the perimeter wire and the edge of the lawn for the iMOW to avoid objects such as fences or walls, although this does mean you will need to trim the lawn edges yourself. Alternatively, you can lay paving around the edge of the lawn, which means that you can lay a perimeter wire right up to the edging, so no lawn is left uncut. But you must make sure the paving and the lawn are level with each other. Next, indicate the location of where you want to place the iMOW docking station. This should be a spot which is level, ideally shaded, and accessible from a power supply. The power cable is 10 metres long. The docking station will be on the edge of the mowing area. Starting from here, the perimeter wire will be installed around the edge of the lawn. Before the iMOW makes its first cut of your lawn, you should make sure the grass has been mown, ideally to a height of 4 to 5 centimetres. If your lawn is very dry, you could also water the perimeter where you plan to lay the wire before installation, as that will help soften the ground so that it is easier to hammer in the fixing pins. If you have a C model iMOW, you will also need to contact your supplying STIHL dealer to set up your account so you can download and activate the iMOW app before the installation too. We recommend you do this at least a few days before you plan to install the mower. Once you are prepared, you can then start the installation. Our instruction video takes you through all the steps you need to consider. Just search for how to install an iMOW on the STIHL GB YouTube channel or click here to watch it now.